Well, we kind of had a situation. Small one, nothing bad. But I had to put Bobo in there. I know it's not good. It's his house. It's his territory. Yeah. You want some more? Yeah. Oh, what's it like? My fingers. Yeah. It's a funny finger, huh? How cute. What a cute little birdie. It's an Opie. It's a little Opie. It's been eating out of my house. I mean my hand, but just millet. Today he had some good food. Yeah, and he could go back in, but he didn't want to. It came out of my hand by accident when I was reaching for the phone. Yeah, he's a good boy. And someone is very jealous. I don't want any territorial stuff yet. It's too soon. As if I have a choice, huh? Yeah, in my finger, huh? What's it taste like? Soap. Yeah. Camera. Darn. There we go. Yeah. Look who's looking below. Yeah. Yeah. He actually stepped up with both feet all at once. Oh, he's so pretty. Such a pretty bird. You're going to get fat quick because you eat so much. That was Bubble. That's a birdie. That's a birdie. It's a birdie. You went out? Okay. No dominance display. We got to go in the other room for that. A neutral room. Huh? What do you think, Bubble?